Hi, we are just popping on to share some news with you. We've just gone into full lockdown here in the UK because of COVID, and I know you watching are probably still struggling with all the COVID situation and issues. So we were thinking really hard, how can we get together and support each other during these difficult times? So just this week, David and I have decided to relaunch some new online meditation classes. So you can join us wherever you are in the world. The classes will be every Wednesday and Sunday evening at 7 p.m. UK time. We'd love for you to join us. If you're a beginner, you can also join the class. I will put a link below to more information about the classes and how you can book your ticket. We've got all our January class tickets on our website right now. So, David, what are we going to be doing in these guided meditation sessions?
Well, as you know, my mission is to demystify meditation, is to try and help you to understand that meditation is a form of focusing, of being in focus. So the class will last an hour. It'll start off with a little introduction. Each week will be slightly different. And then I'll take you through a full guided meditation that you can learn to do for yourself each day. And then at the end, we leave about 10-15 minutes where you can ask me any questions and I'll be able to answer your questions directly to you.
Brilliant. And when we ran these classes last year, they were a real success. And it was wonderful to bring together so many people from all over the world. So we do hope that these classes become like a little online bit of peace for you, a space in your week where you can find your balance, harmony, and Wu Wei flow. And then the final piece of news is we have also just launched our online retreat for spring 2021, and that will be on the 27th and 28th of March. And so that's a full weekend of Wu Wei wisdom teaching with David and I. So we'll be doing golden thread process work, we'll be doing inner child stuff, and the theme for the weekend will be the law of attraction. And David's teaching on Yi Dao Qi Dao, the law of attraction. So again, I will put a link below so you can learn more about this special weekend. We really hope that you can share with us and join us at these sessions. And we look forward to seeing you very soon.